Welcome to today's video. The car in front of us has a hood covered with heavy stains, scratches, and yellowish spots caused by tree sap when parked under a tree. Tiny scratches are clearly visible on the surface, diminishing the shine and overall aesthetics of the car. These types of blemishes cannot be removed with regular car washing. We need a more advanced technique, proper sanding and polishing. Start by selecting the right type of sandpaper. Here, I'm using P2000 wet sandpaper to ensure smoothness without deeply scratching the paint layer. Before sanding, make sure to wet both the entire surface and the sandpaper. Always soak the sandpaper for at least 5 minutes before use. Proceed to sand in diagonal strokes. Avoid circular motions, as they can create uneven low spots on the surface. Apply even pressure, not too strong, to remove surface grime and yellow stains. Important: never let the sandpaper dry out. You must keep it wet throughout the sanding process. This helps prevent friction that could burn the paint. After the sanding is complete, you need to thoroughly wipe the surface with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Remove all sanding dust, excess water, and any remaining oils. Make sure the surface is completely clean before moving on to the polishing step. This is a crucial factor that determines whether the polish will adhere evenly. Now we move on to the polishing stage. Use a dual-action polisher with a 10-inch wool pad combined with a medium-cut compound for the first pass. Start polishing from the center of the panel and move outward. Do not let the polisher stay in one spot for too long. Move the machine in a rectangular pattern, overlapping each pass by 50% to ensure even coverage. Maintain a moderate speed and avoid applying too much pressure. Let the machine rotate naturally with consistent pressure. After 2 to 3 passes, stop and inspect the surface. If the finish is not glossy enough, switch to a finer polish, finishing polish, and a softer pad, white or black foam pad. Repeat the same polishing motion to refine the surface. Now let's take a look at the difference. Before, the surface was dull with visible stains and scratches. After treatment, the hood is now shiny and mirror-like, clearly reflecting light. Touching it, you can feel how smooth and clean the surface is. No more rough or gritty texture. This is the result of a meticulous and technically correct process. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every week.